Are you a developer, an application architect, sysadmin, or handling operations? Do you want to learn how you can do continuous integration, continuous delivery, and deployment using GitLab CI? Then this course is for you. My name is Valentine, and in this course I'll be showing you how you can implement all this using GitLab CI in a very hands-on, practice-oriented course. GitLab CI is part of GitLab and offers you the possibility of automating your project. You'll be learning how to create pipelines in GitLab and how to automate not only the deployment process, but any other tasks that need automation as well. During the course, you'll be working on a small project and applying everything you learn using state-of-the-art tools and cloud platforms. If you ever get stuck or have any questions, you really do not have to worry because I'll be there answering your questions and assisting you through the entire course. By the end of the course, you should have all the skills required in order to use GitLab CI with confidence in your own projects. Are you still unsure? You have 30 days to try out the course, and if you're not 100% satisfied, simply take advantage of the no question asked refund policy. So give this course a try and give me a chance to teach you how to do continuous integration, continuous delivery, and much more in this course using GitLab CI. See you inside.